Most people get this wrong. They think all credit cards are the same, but the HSBC Purchase Plus credit card is specifically designed for big purchases and interest-free periods. Here's what you need to know before applying. The card offers 0% interest on purchases for an introductory period, usually up to 12 months. That's ideal if you are planning a large purchase like furniture, electronics, or home appliances and want to avoid paying interest while spreading the cost. It also has flexible repayment options. You can pay off the balance monthly or in full before the interest-free period ends. After the introductory period, the standard purchase APR applies, which can be relatively high, so planning your payments is key. Another advantage is that the card has no annual fee for the basic version, making it affordable even if you only occasionally use it for larger purchases. The surprising truth is that while this card is great for interest-free financing, it's not the best for everyday spending or rewards. If your main goal is cashback, points, or travel perks, other cards might be more suitable. In conclusion, the HSBC Purchase Plus credit card is perfect for people who want to finance big purchases interest-free and pay them off over time. Make sure to track the introductory period carefully to avoid paying high interest once it ends. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to choose the right card for your needs.